Garage 7 right now to not pick up the SONVIA, but to tune it. Now it's been a couple days since it got dropped off there. They've found some minor issues with it, but they've resolved it. Let's hurry up and get there. Just arrived here at Garage 7. Nice little journey. Quick rundown. Both fuel pumps, feed ones, have actually died a couple nights ago on the dyno, or last night. So we've had to change to 044 pumps. Used to have 3 of these. I'm not actually quite sure what brand that one is, it might tell us. But yeah, I had, that's obviously the lift. These are 2 feed pumps. And it's pretty old school fuel setup in here. Did it many years ago. So don't laugh. And you've got the old eBay tank. Works wonders. Should be all good now. We're just waiting for Dex to finish running the engine on the dyno. And Cliff is actually here. Old school drift buddy from way back. He's actually got a FD RX-7 and he's rebuilding the entire thing here. I can't show you because he's unveiling the whole thing at Queensland Matsuri, which is going to be insane because we're there as well. And I didn't even know he was going there, but he's got some crazy news, so I'm not going to spoil anything. You're going to have to wait and see. We'll do an interview with Cliff when we're up in Queensland, and yeah, you'll get to know all about him and his FD RX-7, and it's freaking nuts. So, but what we can show you is his tow car. Check this beast out. It's a Toyota Hiace. It's a good old Steelies and some 326 power freaking lugs on it. Jesus. Look at it. I think it's also, this is like an aftermarket kit too. Yeah. Little roof wing. Heavy duty tow pack on it. Yeah, it's freaking sick. On your Cliff. Alright, so we're going to get this on the dyno in a minute. It's already way past knockoff time, so once again, a big thanks to Garage 7 for hanging back and getting this thing done. Even though it's not done yet, I got all the faith in the world that it will be. And guess what? You guys get to enjoy another dyno session. Oh, so Dex is just getting the 32 that he run in out the way. So 32 is going out. My car will be coming in. But Dex also just told me that my TPS is Ted. So we're going to steal his off his missile. This is actually Dex's missile. I don't know what to say about it. It's definitely not pretty, but it's got a working TPS, so I really love it right now. So yeah, we'll just rip this off. This one here, just a couple of 7mm bolts on it. And we'll chuck that on the SONVIA. And straight on the dyno. Car's back on the dyno, she's all ready to go. TPS is installed, the new one, thanks to Dex. Yeah. So now we get to listen to it scream its freaking head off. Oh. Alright. You ready? So Dex is going to know straight away if the fuel pressure's been fixed. by the way.
Yeah!
He owns the Mental FD RX-7 I was just telling you about.
Can't see it.
Yeah, you can't, you're not allowed to look at it yet. You gotta wait till Queensland Matsuri. All will be revealed. Thanks, Dex. Champion. Alright, so we got the fuel problem sorted. TPS is obviously sorted. Now it's time to tune it. It's Alberto Big Boost. Although this dude done something funky with his strut tower. Yours is cooler, Alberto. So I got this big friggin'... Yeah, call me a pussy, but I ain't getting burnt. I had to disconnect the fuel pressure sensor. Oh, sorry, oil pressure sensor, because it's coming up. It's not working. Probably the most vital one for an RB, so I'm going to try and get that working. Boost control is now hooked up properly. Yep. So I'm just going to disconnect it now. I'm going to get under here somehow. So it's obviously dead. It turns out the fuel pressure, so what I did, I put the oil pressure wire on the fuel pressure one just to test it, and it reads fine. So at the end of the day, the oil pressure sensor is stuffed, and it's more likely because I've got it on a fitting out of the block, and because it's technically still a hard line on the block, it's a big no-no. We can still tune the car, so here we go. Had to come out here for a breather and a rock star, because I want to be like Freddy. So everything's going well. You probably couldn't hear me in there before, but we had a fuel pressure issue. That's been resolved. We had a TPS issue. That's been resolved. Got an oil pressure issue that hasn't been resolved, but the sensor's dead, so I just got to get a new one and fit that. Engine seems really strong. So there's a few things on the ECU because it's been so long since it's been running. It's had a heap of software updates from Howtech, because this one runs a Howtech Elite. Yeah, it's all looking good for the weekend. Heading to Winton. God, I haven't been there since 2009. Can't frickin' wait. Hopefully we get a power run in right now. I can't handle these holding RPM runs, whatever you want to call them. It stresses me out. Cool down. So, this is another little invention of Dex. He runs, you're not going to be able to hear me over that alarm. Which one is it? So Dex has got, in behind here, there's a big 1,000 litre drum of water. There's another one over that side. And he runs them through a radiator, which usually is extremely efficient, but it's like 40 degrees today. It'd be about 45 in this shed, so it's just got a bit too hot. So now we've got to wait for the dyno to cool down. But right now, what is going on here? It's too much. Oh, she cracked a big 400. Really? What the hell? That's actually really impressive, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. It's running really well.
Thanks, Dex. Bloody champion. Alright, so what, is all done? 90%. Alright. So we just got to wait for the dyno to cool down, then we'll be back into it. So it's been about 30 minutes now. We're going to do the last few final power runs. Probably can't hear me, but anyway. That is actually really impressive. Yeah, I'm freaking stoked with that. We've also got a new feature on the exhaust to make it sound a little different. I don't know if it actually works yet because it hasn't been outside, but I think there's a slight little change in the note. Really hoping it sounds a little bit more unique now. Let's grab this for the road home. Oh, no looking at Cliff's car. Alright. Thanks Garage 7. You're amazing. See ya. It's really late, you should be finished by now. Thanks Dex. Cliff. Yeah mate. Woo! Alright boys. See you next time. Thanks again. Will do.